Hello and welcome to my From Zero to Programmer series. This module is From Zero to JavaScript Asynchronous Programming, where you'll learn asynchronous programming in JavaScript. My name is Paul.Sheriff. I've been a professional software developer since 1985. I've been training developers since 1986. I've been a software consulting business owner since 1991. I've written 14 books, hundreds of video training courses, magazine articles, and blog posts. I've been a speaker at major conferences and user groups around the world, a Pluralsight and YouTube author, and you can contact me at P.Sheriff@PDSA.com or visit my website at www.pdsa.com. So why should you take my course? I've been a professional developer and top-rated trainer since 1986. I'm going to show you real-world concepts, not just language syntax. I'm going to help you break down those complex subjects into easy-to-understand steps. I'm also going to be giving you sample code, hands-on labs, and links to other technical references and answers to any questions you may have on my course material. So please take some time and subscribe to my channel, Paul.Sheriff. This course uses HTML5, CSS3, JavaScript ECMAScript 2015, that's ES6 or later, Visual Studio Code version 1.9x or later, and I recommend using the latest browsers, Google Chrome, Microsoft Edge, Opera. I always recommend Chrome and use Chrome especially on the Mac OS as Safari has some issues when displaying web pages from the file system. Be sure to check out my other YouTube courses by subscribing to my channel at Paul.Sheriff. I have topics such as C# fundamentals, C# object-oriented programming fundamentals, minimal web API development using MVC, how to start and run a successful business, and I have a whole modern JavaScript series that I'm starting to create, so stay tuned, there's a lot more coming. You are in the right place if you want to learn how to use callbacks, use promises, use the async and await keywords, handle multiple promises, and use web workers. This module is also good for back-end developers, QA persons, and managers of JavaScript developers. The objectives for this module are to understand the concept of asynchronous programming, get familiar with callbacks, explore the use of promises, learn about the async and await keywords, discover how to utilize web workers. For this module, I'm assuming that you have a good knowledge of JavaScript and you have a good basic knowledge of CSS and HTML. You do need an editor such as VS Code, Sublime, or Atom. Lessons in this module are synchronous programming techniques, utilizing callbacks for asynchronous JavaScript, implementing promises, the async and await keywords, handling multiple promises, and employing the Web Workers API in JavaScript. Most of my lessons have labs, so make sure you take the time to do the labs. These are step-by-step instructions to solidify your understanding of the topics taught in each course and each lesson. The labs and sample code are all available at my website at pdsa.com/YouTube. Please subscribe to my channel here on YouTube at Paul.Sheriff. So join me on your journey to learning JavaScript asynchronous programming.